Alrighty everybody, so today we're going to be going over some beginner friendly arm exercises. So this is if you want to grow those biceps and triceps. Now first exercise is a tried and true class. We have the rope tricep extension. So with this exercise, make sure that you're hinging slightly at the hips. You're going to fix that elbow to your side, avoiding any shoulder movement, and then we're going to extend the elbow, locking out and pulling the rope to the side, where we will then be flexing the elbow, coming all the way up so we can get that full range of motion. Make sure that you exhale with force as you press down. Next exercise we're going to be doing is a rope hammer curl. So for the rope hammer curl, we're going to have our shoulders back. We're going to pull that rope to the top of our chest, ensuring that our palms are facing each other and we are getting a nice squeeze at the top. Now we're going to be moving on to some unilateral based movements. First one we're going to be doing is a cable tricep kickback. So we're going to start off in a split squat position. Now this is a great exercise because we're going to have resistance through the entire duration of the movement. We're going to keep that elbow glued to our side, and then we're going to push the weight back, locking out the elbow at the top of the motion. Ensure that you're doing the same amount of reps per side as well. Finally, we're going to be doing a cable supinated bicep curl. Now with this exercise, have your elbow pinned to the side of your body. You're going to have your palm facing up in a supinated position, and then we are going to curl to the top of our shoulder. Ensure that you are squeezing at the top of each rep and that you are exhaling at the top of the motion as well and inhaling during the descent. Try also to avoid fully locking out or extending the elbow. We want about a 3/4 motion. Hope these exercises help, and good luck growing those arms.